Guess what we're doing today? It's my very first Wish haul. Today I have a treat for you. We are going to be doing a Wish earring haul. Now, if you've not heard of Wish, Wish is this crazy app that you can get, which I found out about from Facebook, where it has loads of stuff on it, really random stuff that's really, really cheap. It has a lot of mixed reviews, like people tend to get sent the wrong item or things in the wrong color or the wrong size, but you'll pay like £2 or £3 for an item, including postage. Usually takes about 2 weeks to come, 2 or 3 weeks, depending on, you know, how fast the seller is. But it comes all the way from China, and then it gets here, and it's a little bit of potluck whether it's going to be good or not. So my thing, as you may have realized, is earrings. I love my earrings. I have hundreds of pairs of earrings. It's like my go-to accessory. It's like my thing. One time someone wrote on my personal development review at work that I wear great earrings. That was what they had to say about the quality of my work. It's been a really long day. I am currently in the decluttering mode, so I'm trying to get rid of some stuff. So as you can see behind me, I'm kind of sorting through my clothes. I have too many clothes and I needed to get rid of some. But then I nipped down to see if I had any posts today and had some parcels. So I was like, you know what? Stop everything. I am going to do a Wish haul and show you some of the earrings that I've got. Now they're all still in their original wrapping, so I don't know what they're going to be like. So I just thought it's going to be really fun, really exciting. So let's get started. Okay, package one. I'm really excited for this. Probably should have got some scissors. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I chose these ones because I really like quirky earrings, earrings that make people go, do a double take, like, oh my gosh, she's not seriously wearing that in her ears. So these I thought looked perfect. Ooh, just dropped it on the floor. These are little tiny fish earrings. You see those? I'm gonna try them on right now. So they're kind of like these little fish in a bag. And I'm gonna put them on and see what they look like. Oh my gosh. I already love them. They're already so weird. These are kind of little wrappings. They're kind of annoying. It's going to be crunching in my ear all day. What do you think, guys? Do they look good? I love them. I would wear these all day long. So they're kind of cool, but they just hang a little weird because of the wrapping. But yeah, they're great. Yay! Wish win. Number one, wish win. So let's go for parcel number two, see if we can get 2 wish wins. All right. This one's a little bigger, so maybe it's not even earrings. I'm not sure. I can't tell. It doesn't really... Oh, sunglasses. Oh my gosh. So again, I really love facial accessories, and I ordered some sunglasses for this summer. And I really like the sort of polarized look that's everyone's wearing. I'm sure everyone's wearing them at Coachella this year. And I think, holy smokes, these are amazing. Oh my gosh. They might look ridiculous though. What do you think? You can see me recording me. These are hot as F. I mean, look, I'm going to do like a blue steel. Yeah, these are great. I love them. Oh my gosh. I love this bar. It's so unnecessary. It's so fabulous. I love them. Wish win. 2 in a row. Let's go for number 3. Okay, wish number 3. What's it gonna be? Number 3. Lucky number 3. Oh, okay. These are inspired by Banksy. So I love, see there's the girl and there's the balloon. And I just love anything that gives a nod to art. They're a little longer than I thought they were going to be. I mean, don't get me wrong. These are cheap. They feel plasticky. They're not going to survive all that long. But for a couple of quid, I mean, you cannot argue with that. Okay. I think they're kind of cool. That might get a little annoying, but I think, yeah, it's supposed to be Banksy's girl with balloon. But I think maybe the chain is slightly long, but I quite like them. They go really well with my lipstick. This is a good look. I like it. Okay, I'm gonna call that 3 wish wins. 3, because I will wear these and I will feel cool and everyone will love them. And that's all you want from life, really, isn't it? Earrings that make everyone go, oh, they're amazing. That's what I want from life anyway. That and 100 puppies. My knees are starting to go from kneeling on the floor, so we're going to pick it up a notch. We're going to go for number 4, which is in a paper envelope. So not the plastic. So I guess these might be a little more. Oh, I do not remember ordering this. This could be one of those things that was sent by accident. It's cute though. It's not earrings. I don't think I ordered anything but earrings and sunglasses. It is a, oh, I think you have to wear it on this side, which is not, it's a cute little cherry. Oh, it's so cute. It's like a little hair clip with some cherries on, because who doesn't want fruit in their hair all the time? Plastic fruit only, no real fruit. You don't want real fruit in your hair. That would be a nightmare. But yeah, I think that's quite cute. I don't remember ordering it. It could have been a drunk purchase. That is the danger with Wish. I don't know if anyone else does this. But when I'm a little drunk sometimes and I get home and I'm not quite ready to go to sleep, I will go on the apps. I will order stuff from ASOS, I will order stuff from Wish, I will go on eBay and bid loads of money for silly things. So maybe this was a drunk purchase. Ooh. I had a friend who once ordered a massive piano while he was drunk and it got delivered to work. And he had no idea. He was like, what? When did I order this? Thankfully, not a piano. That's all I'll say. Don't know if it's a Wish win though, because I don't remember ordering it. So I can't say if it's exactly what I ordered, but it's cute. So I'll take it. On to number 5. Sorry, I bet you're getting some great facial. Also, this shows how weak I am because I can't open these bags very well. Ooh, this one's super sticky. Well, these are little light bulbs. I mean, I thought they were supposed to light up, but I guess they don't. Unless there's some secret way of doing it, which will annoy me till the end of time. But these are cool. And no, without them actually lighting up, they might just be a little strange. It kind of would be cooler if they looked like actual light bulbs. They might be a bit more like those energy saving ones. Energy saving light bulbs that don't light up. That'll save you some energy. Oh. It does. Oh my gosh. Check this out. I mean, that is a Wish win. 100%. Oh my gosh, I have to do the other one. So what you have to do is, it feels like you're gonna break it, but you're not. So you unscrew it, and then you just click that button, And this one, this one doesn't work. That's so sad. Oh no. Oh. It's trying. It is trying. But it doesn't seem to like it. Well, maybe actually it isn't working and I just got the reflection of the other one. So now I have one that works and one that doesn't. So I'm gonna call that, I mean, I guess I can do the cool like one earring thing, but it just, if they both worked, they would have been my absolute favorite. I might have to order another pair and see if I can get one that worked on the other side, because that's mental and also amazing. And if I go clubbing wearing these, everyone will be like, who's that girl with the amazing earrings? And I'll be like, that's me. It's trying to go. Maybe it just needs to warm up a little. This one works way better though. Okay, last one. It's kind of sad. It's like present time is over, but this could be the best one. You never know. Maybe I've saved the best till last. Oh, it's a double whammy. It's one that has two in. Now I ordered two of these because I wanted it in two different colors, because like sometimes I love to wear earrings. I mean, this looks nothing like the picture. It says OMJ. OMJ. And then I got them in white too. So I could have one black one and one white one. Like this. Oh, I think I prefer the white actually. Is that backwards? I think the white's cooler. I actually thought the black was gonna look way better, but I think the white's cooler. OMG. OMG. But I guess I bought, like I say, I bought two pairs. I bought one in each color so I could mix and match. Well, that's it. That's my first Wish haul done. I'm pretty pleased. I mean, I think altogether there's probably about, I don't know, maybe 11 or 12 pounds worth of stuff. And I got how many pairs of earrings? Like a few pairs of earrings, a little clip, and these, which are my absolute favorite. I mean, I look like I am ready to go. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget, we're new, subscribe, like, comment, ask me for requests. Come back soon.